everybody! Okay, I'm just gonna show you our November mini one swap for Craft Create swap. So if you wanted to do swapping here in the Philippines with your paper crafts, you can check out and join the FB group Craft Create swap. So here we go. Let me just show you. So we have one requirement for 12 by 12 layout with the theme Wanderlust. So it's like it's about travel and all. So let me just show you what I did. Here is my 12 by 12 layout for the Wanderlust theme. There you go. Then here, this is, you can actually pull this and put in your photo and then insert it back. Then on this one, you can, it's actually a pocket. Then you can remove this and voila, I really love this paper. There, so you can insert more in here for as long as this pocket can, you know, accommodate the thickness of the inserts that you wanted to put in there. So I'll set this aside so that I can show you the other items. So we have two pop-up cards that we need to create, and then one luggage, but I think it's actually you know, great to have it in threes, and then one travel notebook. So let me just show you first the cards that I made. So this is the first card. I made this envelope, which is handmade, and then I stamp in here hugs and closed. This is also stamped, and these stamps are from Rosie's Studios. And then this is actually this stamp set from craftspot.log.ph. So there, this is this stamp and this one as well. And then let me just open it. This is the simple pop-up card that I made. There you go. And this is it, you guys. So this is just mini pop-up and simple. Okay, so let me just set this one aside as well, and let me show you the other pop-up card. So here what I made, instead of envelope, I just made a card holder. So you can pull this, voila, and this is your cards. There, so this is just a punch circle. I made two so that it will be a little bit thicker. And then this is just a sticker. This is a fuzzy cut, I think one of the papers in Wanderlust theme of Minte papers. And these are punch borders as well. And then you can just open it up like that. There, so on this first page, this is it has a thicker tape in there. Then you can put your photos here, and then you can open this up, and that's your pop-up again. And you have a pocket in here. I inserted like a die-cut paper, a stitch die-cut paper, double-sided. And then this is also a paper, but it's like a paper clip paper. There. Okay. I enjoyed making this card too. It's just very simple and quick to do, but the simplicity is something that I like. Alright, and then let me just show you the next one. So the next one would be this luggages. So I made 3 luggages. Yeah, I know all of us misses our travel. So for now, this is what we can share, a travel luggage. And then you can open it up at the back, and you have this embellishment surprises. So I put it in here, and then I just put it back here. So this is a die cut from Tonic Studios. That's why it's easier for me to make, because I already have a die cut metal for it. You just have to, you know, get papers of what coordinating papers you wanted to use. There. So I used different kinds of papers for this. This one, what I did, if you can see, this one doesn't have an enclosure. It just have a tag, right? And this one, I made some enclosure and then I put in a Velcro, just for fun. And then, so you have to make sure that you pull it out before you open it up. So let's open this one. There, and then I also put different trinkets in there. There. So you just have to put it back again. And then put in back the Velcro. Okay, there you go. This one, the difference is I just wanted it to hang out, but you can also close it by pushing it here. You can push it here, down here, so you can close it out. There. So it's actually the combination of two. So you have this here, and then you have this here. There. So they have different sets of thingies, but I really love the color combination of this one, the pink and the borders of, you know, subtle whites. And so you just have to pull it and push it back, and then there you go, you have your die cuts of butterflies. Then push it back again so you can close it and put this back here. Then you can pull it there. There you go. These are the 3 luggages. So let's put it there. And the last thing that I made was this. So before the travel notebook, we also made this. So I also made this one. This is a memory dex card, 3D. So as you can see, I also put some of the trucks, the die-cut trucks in there, and then I put it here. I used a thicker tape just so it is, it's like a 3D. I hope you can see that. And the other one, there's the tape. Okay, and then the last but not the least is this travel notebook. So I made a coordinating paper clip for this, and this is your travel notebook. So shout out to Janus for teaching us how to make this travel notebook cover. It's very easy to make. Thank you for that, Janus. And here's the insert. So I made one insert that has this cover, and this is what's inside. So I just stamped some of the pages with stars just so it has some, you know, something fun and funky when she writes something down. Not sure you can see it. It's very subtle in color. Yeah, so all of the pages has that edges of stars. And then the next one, another insert, and this one is just like a notebook. And then on the first page, I put it here. So I just stamped as well. These are the Heidi Swap border stamps, and then these are some of the Heidi Swap elements. And I think this is Mamile. There, and then these are stencil stars. And then on the next pages, I just put in some of this small stars stamped in there. There you go. So this is your travel journal. So these are all of my swaps. For my swap mate for Craft Create Swap, I hope that she will like them. So I hope you guys love it too. And you know, if you have questions or if you wanted to make something just like this, let me know, and then, you know, I can make tutorials for that. Alright? Okay guys, bye! Thank you! See you later!